How to buy real estate, a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Welcome to our guide on how to buy real estate. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or an experienced investor, this script will walk you through the essential steps to make a successful real estate purchase. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your goals. The first step in buying real estate is to clarify your goals. What type of property are you looking for? Is it for personal use or investment? What's your budget? Knowing your objectives will help guide your search. Step 2. Get your finances in order. Before you start hunting for properties, ensure your finances are in order. Calculate your budget, get pre-approved for a mortgage if needed, and save for a down payment and closing costs. Step 3. Research the housing market. It's crucial to research the real estate market in your desired location. Understand property values, trends, and neighborhood dynamics. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions. Step 4. Find a real estate agent. Hiring a real estate agent can be incredibly beneficial. They have local expertise, access to listings, and can guide you through negotiations and paperwork. Step 5. Begin the search. With your agent's help, start searching for properties that match your criteria. Attend open houses, view listings online, and narrow down your choices. Step 6. Conduct due diligence. Once you find a property you like, perform due diligence. Inspect the property, review its history, and evaluate any potential issues. Step 7. Make an offer. When you're ready, submit an offer through your agent. Be prepared to negotiate with the seller until you reach an agreement on price and terms. Step 8. Secure financing. If you haven't already, secure financing for your purchase. Work closely with your lender to complete the mortgage application process. Step 9. Complete the closing process. The closing process involves paperwork, inspections, and the finalization of your mortgage. Be sure to review all documents carefully and ask questions if needed. Step 10. Take ownership. Congratulations! You've reached the final step. Once all paperwork is signed and funds are transferred, you'll officially take ownership of the property. Conclusion that wraps up our guide on how to buy real estate. Remember that real estate transactions can be complex, so having a knowledgeable team and doing your research is essential. Please note that this is a simplified guide and real estate transactions can vary in complexity depending on location and circumstances. Always consult with professionals such as real estate agents, attorneys, and financial advisors for personalized advice. If you have any further questions, please contact us, the Hannibal Group 678-235-3500.